Hello, Law Minds community. Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the intricate world of law and its applications. Today, we are diving into the fascinating realm of punishment under the Indian Penal Code, exploring the legal landscape, judicial discretion, and the societal impact of these measures. So, let's get started. This video is divided in three sections. First, the overview of punishment. Second, legal implication and application. And third, societal impact and ethical consideration. So let's move with section 1. I hope you'll stay till the end of this video and enjoy the process. So section 1, it introduces us to the various types of punishment from the severe death penalty to life imprisonment and different form of imprisonment. Join me as we navigate through the pages understanding the gravity of these sentences. So it is death penalty. It is the most severe punishment and also known as the capital punishment where it is confiscated in crimes such as murder, or any other heinous crimes under Section 53 of the IPC. What is life imprisonment? A punishment which entails incarceration or the remainder of the convict's life as per Section 53 of the IPC. And what is imprisonment? This includes both rigorous and simple imprisonment, where serving as a common form of punishment for various offenses. And now we explore the financial repercussions with the fourth feature of property and fines. I'll unravel the details of how the court may decide to confiscate property to impose monetary penalties and the legal intricacies involved. So, in this, a monetary penalty is imposed on the convict bearing based on the severity of the offense and the court's discretion. Now, moving to punishment of murder, we dissect the punishment specifically tailored for murder, from death penalty to life imprisonment, and define terms of imprisonment. We will unravel the legal nuances surrounding these several offenses. So it is death penalty. These are the punishment for murder. For punishment of murder, three punishments can be given or imposed, which are death penalty, life imprisonment, and imprisonment for a term, which we already discussed earlier. Now, let's go beyond murder into the realm of Section 420 of IPC and the variability of punishment. We will discuss how the Indian Constitution shapes these penalties and the constitutional provisions that guide our legal system. So Section 420 of the IPC involves imprisonment for up to 7 years and a fine for offenses related to cheating and dishonesty. And it also has a variability in its punishment, where exact punishment for offense may vary based on specific provisions of the IPC. And there are certain constitutional provisions too, under Section 53 and Chapter 3 of the IPC, where the Indian Constitution outlines the provision for punishment. I hope you are clear with Section 1. We'll now move with Section 2, where we'll talk about legal implications and applications. Now let's flip to Section 2, where we explore the legal implication and application of this punishment. This judicial discretion delves into the court's discretion, sentencing guidelines, and the crucial consideration of factors that influence judgment. So, what are the factors that influence judgment? Are sentencing guidelines, consideration of factors, and the court's discretion. So, what is considering a factor? It is nothing but the courts consider factors such as the gravity of the offense, like how deep is the offense, or the mitigating circumstances and the convict's background. And what are the sentencing guidelines? These are nothing but the judicial precedents and legal principles that guide the courts in determining suitable punishment for different offenses. Now, moving into the legal safeguards ensuring fair trial, right? The principle of proportionality and the avenues for appeal and review. It's essential to understand the mechanism that safeguard justice in our legal system. And finally, the legal safeguards bring us to contemporary relevance. We will explore the evolving legal landscape, the emphasis is on reform and rehabilitation, and ongoing public discourse shaping the future of legal punishments. Now we'll move to the contemporary relevance, which is like evolving landscapes. The IPC's provision on punishment continue to adapt the contemporary societal and legal development. Like it is everyday evolving. The punishment is not static, but it is dynamic. We'll now talk about reform and rehabilitation, which is emphasized on reformative approaches of offenders alongside punitive measures. And public discourse is nothing but the ongoing discussions and debates which are going on in the public on the effectiveness on various forms of punishment. Now we'll move to section 3, where we will talk about the societal impact and ethical considerations of these punishments. So now we'll talk about deterrence and rehabilitation. So section 3, where we unravel the societal impact and ethical consideration of legal punishment, the deterrence and rehabilitation takes us through the deterrence goals of the justice system, emphasizing the delicate balance between objectives. The ethical dimensions explore the ethical punishment from a human right perspective to the concept of restorative justice. We will delve into the importance of ethical treatment and the overarching principles that guide a legal system. Now, moving to public perception and awareness, we explored this from perceptions of justice to educational initiatives and community engagement, understanding how the public views legal punishment is crucial to shaping our legal future. And lastly, the intersection with social issues delves into with the legal system. We will discuss gender and justice, socioeconomic factors, and victim-centric approaches, recognizing the multifaceted nature of legal punishment. So it is gender and justice. This is nothing but considering the intersection of gender dynamic and social justice in the application of punishment. So it should be considered while giving punishment, like the offender is of which gender. So justice should be served accordingly. And that concludes our deep dive into the intricacies of legal punishment under the Indian Penal Code. If you found this explanation insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more law-related content, and join the discussion in the comments below. Until next time, keep those legal minds sharp. This is Rohan Das signing off from Law Minds. Thank you.